Are you nervous?
Look, there's a massive sand cloud.
It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it's all this like foggy looking stuff. It's like a massive cloud of sand and ash. Yeah. We think there's mountains on the other side of this. Cross your fingers.
I really hope we get through with the other side. We're gonna get through the other side and it's gonna be some like Wizard of Oz kind of stuff. I'm driving much slower, so. Can you see that on camera?
Not really, no.
Can you see that pushing across the...
A little bit, yeah, actually. We made it out of the sand field alive. So we've been hiking for a little bit, but our guide, right as we were starting to hike, he was saying this one is called, we'll flash it up on the screen, but it means, in Icelandic, it means tumbling glacier or falling glacier. And he said underneath that glacier is the largest volcano in Iceland. I'm not clear whether he said it was the largest glacier in Iceland, but we'll check on that and keep you updated.
And all of the debris falls on the ice, stays there, and the glacier advancing, it's transporting all of this debris to the bottom. So these rocks, they were way higher up. If you take the middle of the glacier slightly on the right hand side, you see like a fine line of debris, and there's even a massive boulder over there.
Yeah.
So it's just getting transported down. At some point in the future, this boulder is gonna be somewhere on the riverbed.
That's glacier underneath. This isn't mountain, this is glacier. So we're in the car filming this because you're not going to be able to hear us outside. It is so windy today. We're here at Diamond Beach, and it's called that because there's all these little mini icebergs that have washed up onto the beach from the glaciers and the icebergs behind us. We'll show you that in just a second. But you can see this little guy kind of floating out to sea here, this little iceberg buddy, getting all our gear on so we can go out and look at them.
Now we're on our way to one of the glacier lagoons that we're gonna go check out.
Not to be confused with legumes.
Lagoon. And I heard this might be seals. So if that can happen, that'll make my day.
Yes, let's go see it.
We just sat down for dinner, and they actually recommend not eating out too much just because the meals can be a lot more expensive in Iceland, about like $30 to $32 or $38 per plate. And Jen got the Arctic char, another Arctic char, which is like the thing.
Smoked char and the grilled.
Smoked char and grilled char. And then I ended up getting the pork schnitzel. I wanted to get the lamb, but it's like from the farm, and that kind of messed with me a little bit.
Ready? So I just tried the grilled Arctic char. It has a kind of like a milder salmon flavor, but the way that they've cooked it, it's got like a sherry or a wine vinegar. Like it just tastes really, really, really good.
Very long hike today, so we are rewarding ourselves with
Calories.
with more calories. Jen got some of the traditional skyr yogurt that you're supposed to get over here with ice cream. She's already taken a bite. And my mother and I got a chocolate cake.